Every woman needs a shrug or a poncho or something to put on us on the shoulders so we can feel cozy and warm and, great. So today I have for you lots. I didn't even count how many. I have lots of shrugs and ponchos patterns, all free patterns from my collection that you can work and crochet for yourself today. Let's get started. All right, so the first one is a classic granny stitch poncho. Okay, very, very cute and very easy to make because you just walk rows up and down and make a opening here for the poncho. Nothing special. You can choose the colors and add some fringe and you're done. All right, you can find all these patterns are going to be free on my blog. You can find the links in the description box below. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one is a different kind of shrug. As you can see, it's a big rectangle and you wear it and it hugs you around. So this is how it goes. Look how pretty. And it's so, so soft and so comfy. Let's move to the next one. The next one is again a rectangle, but granny square. A granny square that becomes a rectangle and it also has sleeves. So let's try it on. Oops. This is for when you just want to put something on yourself because you're feeling chilly and you need to, feel cozy again. So you use this shrug. Look how pretty. Just a granny square going around. Oops, what happened to my shirt? Going around around your shoulders. Let's move to the next one. The next one will be a poncho. Again, a granny squares traditional poncho made out of 4 or 5 4 big granny squares. I love this color combination, you know that. And joined together. Very, very, very cozy. I love this poncho and I use it all the time. Let's move to the next one. Now I'm going very fast through these patterns through these pieces because they are so cute and simple and most of them beginner friendly. And all the patterns are free on my blog and you can find them in the description box. I just want to show them to you. And if you want to make one, I will be so happy if you share the picture, take photos and show me the different color combinations that you use, anything that you do with these free pieces. Now, this one is another poncho. This one is very, very, very popular on my site, on my blog. As you can see, it's big. It's using a stitch combination. It's V-stitch and granny stitch together. Let's see how it looks. Just amazing. Again, this is one of my favorites. If you're like me and you like to sit down at home and you feel a little bit chilly but you don't want to use, these big sweaters or bulky kind of things. So a poncho or a shrug is just amazing. Let's move to the next one. I'm kind of taking out clothes all the time. All right, this one, Valentine is coming around, and this one I use a super chunky yarn, and using this, how do you call this stitch? The block stitch. Super chunky yarn in these 3 colors. Amazing. Okay, very heavy, but it's kind of a shrug, wrap, something that you can put on and keeps you warm. I love it. Now, the next one is a Ruana. This one is a big Ruana. As you can see, you work it in one piece from the top all the way, from the bottom all the way around in one piece. You just split it here in the middle, and there is a stitch combination that you do on the bottom to give it some personality. Okay, so we have here some stitches, and again, very easy, very beginner friendly. This one takes longer to work on and lots of yarn, because it's the moss stitch, and it takes lots of yarn, but it's so beautiful. I love the moss stitch. All right, our last one, won't believe, but we are the last one, is this cute poncho, pinky poncho. Again, if you're thinking about something for Valentine's, this can be a good idea. Using this amazing stitch combination, look how beautiful this poncho is. It's a rectangle with this. I think I wore it on the wrong side. Yeah. Okay, but look how amazing it looks, and it has this border here to give it more kind of structure, but I love it. You can use it on top of anything, and it's pink, so of course I love it. All right, this is it for this video. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, the gray day. 3, the hugs. Where is it? 4, the granny squares. 5, the granny with sleeves. 6, the pink one. 7, this amazing berries and cream with the very chunky yarn. 7 and 8, the Ruana, that is just wow, moss stitch, amazing. I hope you like this. These are from my collection this time. If you want to find them again, all of them are in the links are in the description box below. And I hope you like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can continue and bring you more videos like this. Bye!